After signing up, you will land on the pricing page. TraderPilot offers 3 subscription options. The Trade Copier plan allows you to copy trades between trading accounts and platforms. The minimum purchase is 2 account slots, 1 master account, 1 slave account. You can copy trades across supported platforms, including MT4, MT5, cTrader. For example, you can copy trades from an MT4 account to an MT5 or cTrader account. The core plan includes 5 trading account slots. With this plan, you can copy trades between MT4, MT5, and cTrader accounts, copy Telegram signals to MT4, MT5, and cTrader accounts, connect unlimited Telegram channels, access detailed trading account analytics, use advanced Copier and risk management tools. Telegram Copier. The Telegram Copier plan allows you to connect your Telegram account and automatically copy signals from Telegram channels to supported trading accounts. Supported platforms include MT4, MT5, cTrader. Completing your purchase 1. Select your preferred plan. 2. Click Upgrade to full access or the relevant purchase button. Choose your preferred payment method. Card payment, cryptocurrency. Continue to the payment gateway. Enter the required payment information. Complete the payment. Congratulations! You have successfully purchased a TraderPilot subscription.